Ever pondered the significance of bed leveling in 3D printing? It's an essential skill that every 3D printing enthusiast should master. A well-leveled bed ensures that your prints adhere properly and come out with the highest quality. This foundational step corrects the distance between the print bed and the nozzle, which directly affects the success of the first layer and, by extension, the entire print. To level your bed, you'll need a few simple tools: a piece of paper or a feeler gauge, filament for test prints, isopropyl alcohol for bed cleaning, and a slicer software for preparing the test print. Start by cleaning the bed to remove any residues. Then heat the printer to mimic printing conditions. Using the paper or feeler gauge, adjust the bed's height at each corner until the nozzle lightly grips the paper. This ensures an even distance across the bed. Do remember to level your bed regularly. This routine maintenance task can significantly improve your 3D printing results by providing a solid foundation for your prints. A perfectly leveled bed means that the printing surface is uniformly flat relative to the nozzle. This uniformity is critical for the accurate and consistent application of each layer. An unlevel bed can result in print failures, wasted materials, and time. Therefore, bed leveling not only enhances the print quality, but also reduces the likelihood of print failures. To level your bed effectively, follow these steps: clean the bed, preheat the printer, home the printer, manually adjust the bed using a piece of paper or feeler gauge, conduct a bed leveling test print, and adjust as necessary based on the test results. These steps help in maintaining your printer's calibration, which is crucial for smooth and successful printing operations. There are several tips that can make bed leveling easier and more effective. Ensure the printer is on a level surface before starting. Use live adjustment features if available, and consider automatic bed leveling systems for greater accuracy and convenience. And remember, even with careful leveling, issues might still arise. Address these by starting with a clean bed surface using adhesion aids like rafts or glue sticks, and shimming the bed if it's warped to overcome common bed leveling challenges. Automatic bed leveling systems, while optional, offer a significant upgrade by automating this process, saving time and enhancing print consistency. These systems are particularly beneficial for those who value convenience and precision in their printing endeavors. Maintaining a level bed involves regular checks, especially after any adjustments to the hardware, ensuring the bed is clean before each print, using adhesion aids as necessary, and promptly addressing any warping signs. Adhering to bed leveling practices ensures optimal adhesion and precision in all projects, enhancing the overall 3D printing experience. Incorporate bed leveling into your maintenance routine to unlock the full potential of your 3D printer and achieve high-quality prints consistently.